Going on YouTube, welcome back to Show and Tech. So today on the table, we've got products from Whitestone, more specifically the dome glass. So when I first bought my iPhone 12 mini, the first thing that I did was I went and I ordered just a random tempered glass screen protector off of Amazon. But I've always been interested in the Whitestone products. I've heard great things about them. All right, so I've already gone ahead and taken off the Easy Protector from my iPhone 12 mini. So as you can see there's no screen protector on it. We're gonna go and install this from scratch. So the premium screen protector, as I said, is a little bit more involved. As you can see there, it says liquid optically clear adhesive and requires adhesive curing by UV light. So we're gonna see what all that really means in just a second. All right, so once you've got everything out of the package, so we've got our protector right here, we've got the dust cleaner, we've got more alcohol wipes. It looks like a lot, but really and truly, it's not too complicated. So what you want to do as your first step is to start sealing off your phone. So you want to make sure that you seal off any speakers, any buttons, obviously your port at the bottom, because it'd be very unfortunate if you got some adhesive stuck in there. So I'm going to go ahead and take this speaker cover first. Sorry, it's kind of hard working around the camera, but if we focus up here, right where your speaker is, you want to just make sure that that is all covered off nicely and completely. So a full seal. Use these little pieces of tape right here to seal off the sides. All right, so got it covered up there. This one's a little bit harder to do. Peel that away. Boom, make sure it's laid down nice and flat. There's a SIM tray. All right, so SIM tray is nice and covered up there. And there you go. So now you have your phone sealed off. You got your speaker at the top sealed off. All that you've got to do is drop this in the tray. And there's only one way that it can go. So the camera bump lines up with this little slot right there. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. So there's only one way that this can go. You're not really worried about somehow messing that up. Step one complete. Next step is just a quick wipe down as we did with the last install. So grab an alcohol wipe, grab a microfiber cloth. Probably one of the most important steps, not gonna lie. Reason being, you're about to place tempered glass and adhesive on your screen. So the more debris and things that you have stuck on the screen, probably the worse that the install is going to be. So same process again, quick wipe down with the alcohol in the tray so it doesn't move. Wipe down, everything's dry. You're going to take the dust absorber and then you're just, again, picking up any dust. You might want to be a little bit more methodical with this one because you're using an adhesive and because it's harder to reset. So take the extra time, embrace the sound, trust the process. Once you're satisfied with how clean you've gotten the screen, you are going to place this little black holder on top of the phone. There's only one spot for it to go, so very easy to find, just like so. Turn it around this way so it's a little bit easier to see. Okay, and then you're going to take one of these. The yellow cap is what is going to come off, and this just fits right into place. Into the black hole. So now you've got this setup going, and all you have to do is twist the top off, and hopefully my table is level. So there you go, my table is level. You have the adhesive all onto the screen now. And the last process, or the last step in this process, is to then take this part off carefully. So boom, take that off. I'm going to grab my screen protector right here out of the package. You want to place the black tab in through the little slot there, because that's what the screen protector is going to rest on in just a second. Okay, and then same idea. So this is the back. So I peel the back off like so. And then we're just gonna slot it right in like this. Slot it and drop it so it hits the black tab. And then now the interesting part is you want to tilt the guide and then watch the adhesive get to the middle. Once it gets to the middle, you pull the black tab out. So this is going to be interesting, especially for someone that's never done this before. So tilt till it gets to the middle. Just taking its sweet time. A little bit off center. Still going, still going, still going. Let me get a little bit more to the center. There we go. So that's roughly the middle. And all I gotta do is pull this black tab out. Boom. And then just wait. So you can see as it expands all the way under the screen. Try not to be impatient. So let it get to all edges of the screen. So I got the top right done, bottom right done. Just watching now the left, top left corner and bottom left corner. Once that's done, really all you have left to do is the curing process and then wipe away any excess glue. So far so good. Now you're gonna take your curing light and it's 2 presses for 15 seconds. Sorry, 2 presses for 60 seconds and 1 press for 15. And you're supposed to cure the top and the bottom. So if you just put it over like so, and hit it once, let it cure, and then we're going to put it over the bottom like so, 1 touch, let it cure for 15. As you can see, everything looks to be good. There's no bubbles under the screen. It looks pretty clean. So if I flip this out like so, oops, and I can quickly just wipe off any excess. And so the process for the second one took a little bit longer, but it ends up looking really, really nice. Very clear. I like the feel of it under my finger. So that's it. That's how you install both of the Whitestone dome glass options. So you have the easy glass option, or you have the premium screen protector that takes a little bit more work, but has some pretty excellent results. If you got any questions, if you're worried about the install, need any tips, feel free to let me know. As always, thank you for watching. Much love as always. Throwing up 2 of them. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.